AI isn't coming for recruiting. It's already here. And if you're job searching the same way you did 3 years ago, you're probably invisible. In this video, I'll show you how recruiters are actually using AI behind the scenes. And I'll give you a prompt that you can use today to test your own resume through the AI lens, just like the recruiters do. Recruiters are already using AI, and they have been for quite a long time. They screen and score resumes, rank candidates based on job fit, auto message people, and conduct pre-screen questions. Prioritize who shows up at the top of the LinkedIn search results. So they're using Boolean search and drop-down menus, and you need to make sure you have these keywords and key phrases in all your content so we can find you. So that means your resume, your LinkedIn profile, and even your messages are being scanned a lot of times before a human actually looks at them. So if you don't speak the language the machine is scanning for, you don't get seen, period. So what that means for you is you can use prompts to help you get those keywords in there and not fabricating your experience. That I use in my prompts called semantic searching. And so it uses words that are like and similar. So you don't have to have the exact keywords, okay? So the key is understanding how to feed the info using the right input, so the right words. That's what I teach inside Job Hunter Pro, but let me give you one powerful prompt you can try right now. Here's the AI resume scanner prompt. Here's how to test your resume using ChatGPT, just like an AI scanner would. The prompt, and this is going to be in quotes, pretend you are an AI resume scanner for a job post. Here's the job description, paste it in or upload it. Here's my resume, paste it or upload it. Give me a score from 1 to 10 based on alignment. Tell me what I'm missing that would make me more visible in a recruiter's search. Be honest and specific. And so you paste that in and click enter. Now the feedback might sting a little bit, but that's exactly what you need. You need this to improve your chances before you spend the time to apply. So you're not going to gain the system, but you're learning how the system works and you're adjusting accordingly. So try that prompt today. Find a job you want, paste your resume and your job description into ChatGPT and run the scan. You'll learn more in 60 seconds than most job seekers find out in 6 months. So inside Job Hunter Pro, I give a full library of prompts, scripts for messaging, outreach, and more. Check it out down below. It's a complete system, even with a job tracker. So it gets you organized and it is designed to get you seen and hired. So like and subscribe to keep me in your feed. Drop a robot if you're using AI down in the comments. And if you want to know something and you want me to do a video on it, let me know. I'm up for suggestions. Thanks a lot for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next video.